Hello, school leaders. Welcome to this inspiring session designed to guide you through the upcoming leadership examination, specifically the SLLA 6990. As a certified SLLA 6990 leadership license holder, I'm here to share insights and strategies that will empower you to lead with vision and excellence. Today, we'll explore how to use the staff appraisal system as a motivational tool for cultivating a school vision that aligns with UAE Vision 2021 and international best practices. Let's dive into the details and empower ourselves to lead with vision and excellence. So let's come to the reflective task question. Only one question I've taken so that you will be able to get it in the best manner. So let us see the question. How would you use the staff appraisal system as a motivational tool for cultivating a school vision that is aligned with the UAE Vision 2021 and with international best practice? So as a school principal or the aspiring leaders, whether it is the MLTs, HODs, supervisors, coordinators, vice principals or principals, it is very imperative, very essential to align our school's vision with the UAE Vision 2021, which has to emphasize the top tier educational standards and international best practices. One effective strategy is leveraging the staff appraisal system to motivate and cultivate a shared vision. Here's a detailed approach. I want you to pay attention to 15 points that I'll be giving you, and please remember in a mnemonic way. So let's start. Number one is establish a comprehensive teacher performance and development framework. So this framework should actually be very clearly defined. It should define the performance metrics, the professional development opportunities and growth pathways. So the first one is to establish a comprehensive teacher performance and development framework. So you remember the first, for the mnemonic purpose, for you to remember teacher, T. Okay, teacher performance one. Next is the professional development training program. Try to integrate a robust PD training program that aligns with the UAE vision and as required the international educational best practices. This program should be included, should be embedded in the school improvement plan and should be focusing on innovation, global competitiveness, and knowledge-based education. Next important point is to include modules on modern teaching techniques like use of educational technology, cultural competencies, and the leadership skills, which are extremely important. Now let us talk about the orientation. During the orientation, introduce the teachers to their responsibilities and duties. Provide them with a copy of the teacher's manual, which is very essential, and a detailed list of responsibilities. And as a school leader, you need to support assurance to them. Communicate to them that the administrator's role is to support, train, and assist every teacher in succeeding. Assure them that their concerns are also our concerns. Next is introduce the evaluation process clearly. E. Remember the point. Evaluation. Okay. So you need to introduce the evaluation process very clearly. Provide each teacher with a copy of the evaluation document, ensuring that they understand what the administration expects from them. Now we talk about accountability. You need to emphasize that all teachers and staff are accountable for their performance. This accountability will be measured through regular evaluations, classroom observations, and feedback mechanisms. Now we need to implement ongoing training sessions. The training session should not be held, maybe at the beginning of the academic year and then just forget, having no follow-ups and all. Then it would be a disaster. So you need to implement ongoing training sessions by holding weekly meetings to update the teachers on new developments and the educational strategies. Try to arrange private meetings with the teachers, especially who needs additional training and guidance. Develop personalized action plans for these teachers to address their specific needs. Now, next is continuous monitoring by, you need to conduct regular class visits. As a school administrator or as a school leader, we don't get much of time to go and visit the classes, but still, when we mindfully and strategize it, we will have enough time to ensure that we conduct regular class visits to monitor the teaching practices and identifying areas for improvement. And we need to provide constructive feedback to help teachers to enhance their skills. Yes. Now highlighting areas of improvement that I said before, here, how do you do it? You need to work collaboratively with the teachers to develop the improvement plans. Next is encouragement of micro teaching and self-evaluation. So this has to happen through peer learning, where teachers can learn from each other through peer observation and feedback, and also promoting self-evaluation that will allow the teachers to reflect on their teaching methods and outcomes. Recognizing and rewarding teachers for their loyalty, hard work, and good results are yet another very impressive strategy. Implement a system for promotions, salary increases, and other incentives on this basis. Yes, positive reinforcement, which is very important. So regularly praise teachers for their efforts. Try to catch them doing good things and acknowledge these moments publicly. Yes. Now next point is building strong relationships through supportive environment by being there for teachers, building strong supportive relationships, addressing their needs, safety and well-being concerns to create a positive work environment. So, talking about let us come to the conclusion. I have just marked, the important letters in, so that one we'll remember. We have 15 points that we have to remember, and I've given you as TP, MOA, MOA, EA, OPM, HER, PB. Just learn the way you can, but I've just applied this as a part of mnemonic device that we use it for learning. It is a sort of mind mapping, and it helps us to remember the points. So coming to the conclusion, school leaders, just remember, by effectively utilizing the staff appraisal system, we can cultivate a school vision that not only aligns with the UAE Vision 2021, but also adheres to international best practices. This approach ensures that teachers feel supported, valued, and motivated, ultimately leading to enhanced educational outcomes for our students. As leaders, it's our duty to inspire and uplift our educators, creating a thriving environment for all. Remember, leadership is not just about directing, it's about empowering. Good luck to all of you on your leadership journey. Thank you for joining me today. If you find this video useful, helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Together, we can make a difference in the world of education. Thank you and signing off.